The most realistic humanoid robots today are looking closer and closer to real humans. In the future, we'll reach a point where these robots will be indistinguishable from human beings. Even though we're not fully there yet, we are definitely getting close. In today's video, we dive into our top 10 list of the most realistic humanoid robots. Let's jump right in. Jia Jia. First on our list is the Jia Jia. Its developer believes this astonishingly lifelike robot signals a time when robot labor would be common in China, as it can carry on a simple conversation and exhibit a range of facial emotions. The emotions shown by Jia Jia would change based on how each question and answer is formed. When the prototype first appeared at an economic conference sponsored by banking giant UBS in Shanghai's cutting-edge financial district, team leader Shen Xiaoping spoke with the voice of a proud parent. During the showing, Jia Jia answered questions about the weather and was even able to recognize the gender of the person she was talking to. Along with being able to carry on a simple conversation, this robot displays natural eye movement as well as mouth movement when she speaks. Chen predicted that within a decade you might see humanoid robots like Jia Jia in Chinese restaurants, nursing homes, hospitals, and residences. Chihira Junco. Next up on our list is the humanoid robot Chihira Junco, developed by the electronics manufacturer Toshiba in collaboration with multiple technological laboratories at Japanese universities. This humanoid robot first appeared to the public in late 2015 while being stationed at a shopping mall in Tokyo. Chihira Junco would greet mall visitors as they entered and was later able to answer questions from visitors in various languages, such as Japanese, Chinese, and English. The production of the robot, together with 4 other androids, had an estimated cost of 10 million yen, but only the Chihira Junco is publicly visible to the public. Toshiba stated that it intended to create 1,000 additional androids in 2017, and that it aimed to produce 10,000 annually by 2020. When viewed up close, the robotic nature of Chihira becomes apparent due to her robotic arm movements and half-blinking eyes. She kind of appears to be chewing gum when she talks, and not really speaking. Hopefully Toshiba has improved this in later versions of their robots. ASIMO. Honda developed the humanoid robot ASIMO back in 2000. ASIMO is short for Advanced Step in Innovative Mobility, while also paying homage to the renowned science fiction writer Isaac Asimov. ASIMO is a 130 centimeter tall humanoid robot that can walk on its own 2 feet at a speed of up to 6 kilometers per hour. It's currently on display in Tokyo, Japan's Miraikon Museum. On July 8, 2018, Honda published the final ASIMO update on its official site, announcing that it would no longer be creating or developing ASIMO robots to concentrate on more useful applications for the technology it had built throughout ASIMO's existence. Over 20 years after its debut, in March 2022, it made its final active appearance as Honda stated it was retiring the robot to focus on remote-controlled, avatar-style robotic technology. Digits. Next up, we have Digits, the bipedal humanoid robot developed by Agility Robotics. Digit first appeared in 2019 and was designed to be a versatile robot that can perform many tasks. Unlike other robots that are purpose-built for a single task, Digit has a max speed of 1.5 meters per second and can run for 3 hours doing light work. Being a lightweight robot itself, Digit is yet to be optimized for work involving heavier loads. Agility Robotics began as a startup out of Oregon State University with the aim to develop Digit as a platform for a wide range of physical work, such as moving boxes around in a warehouse or unloading and loading trucks. The startup recently secured $150 million in Series B funding, headed by DC VC and Playground Global, together with the Amazon Industrial Innovation Fund. According to Damian Shelton, CEO of Agility, unprecedented consumer and corporate demand has created an extraordinary need for robots to support people in the workplace. With this investment, Agility can increase the delivery of robots for positions where there is a need. Pepper. SoftBank Robotics, formerly Aldebaran Robots, developed Pepper, a semi-humanoid robot capable of perceiving emotions. It was first unveiled during a conference on June 2014 and was later displayed in SoftBank mobile phone stores in Japan. Pepper can identify emotions based on the detection and analysis of facial expressions and voice tones. Due to low demand, the production of Pepper was suspended in June 2021. Several offices in the UK currently employ Pepper as a receptionist receptionist. Pepper can recognize guests using facial recognition, alert meeting organizers, and make arrangements for drinks. Pepper can speak with potential customers on her own. Nadine. The social robot Nadine is a gynoid humanoid based on Professor Nadia Thalmann. The robot looks very human-like because of its realistic hands, natural-looking skin, and hair. Nadine is a socially intelligent robot that can make eye contact, recall previous conversations, and return greetings. Depending on the nature of the contact with the user, it can simulate emotions through facial expressions and gestures to respond to queries in various languages. Nadine engages in natural conversation with people she has already seen and recognized. Nadine's personality may alter its behavior in response to what is being said. In terms of facial expressions and upper body movements, Nadine has 27 degrees of freedom. CyberOne. Earlier this year, on August 11th, the Chinese company Xiaomi unveiled its first humanoid robot, the CyberOne. The release of the CyberOne was the second in its Cyber series of robots, which began with the release of the CyberDog back in 2021. The humanoid robot weighs in at 52 kg, reaching 177 cm tall, making it close in height to your average human. However, it is incredible in terms of its potent motors and bipedal controls, aiding in its ability to simulate human movement. Atlas. Moving on to the top 3 on our list, we have the Atlas by Boston Dynamics. Created with incredible movement dynamics, Atlas was first unveiled to the public back in July 2013. Since then, the robot has seen great development. The Atlas has an advanced dynamic, full-body balancing mechanism and acts as a template for optimization, combined with complex routines. There are in-depth sensors that generate point clouds of the environment and help detect its surrounding. Atlas's robot dynamics help predict how its motion will evolve and adjust to conditions later on. More than a robot, Atlas can be called an intelligent robot that will defy the boundaries of robotics. Being able to make leaps, bounds, and backflips, Atlas continues to be pushed by Boston Dynamics to achieve its maximum potential. Sophia. At number 2 on our lists, we find the humanoid robot Sophia, developed by Hong Kong-based Hanson Robotics. The social humanoid robot Sophia was first shown on February 14, 2016, as it debuted in front of the general public at South by Southwest SXSW in Austin, Texas, USA. The robot was made to look like the actress Audrey Hepburn. Sophia can hold a conversation, respond to questions, and can even tell jokes. Sophia has been featured in numerous high-profile interviews and has been covered by media outlets all around the world. Sophia received Saudi citizenship on October 2017, making her the first robot to have citizenship in any nation. Sophia became the first non-human recipient of a United Nations title when she was designated the UNDP's Innovation Champion in November 2017. Ameca. At the top of our list, we have the humanoid robot Ameca. This robot really demonstrates the state-of-the-art in robotics technology and is the most advanced human-shaped robot out there. Ameca is the ideal robot platform for human-robot interaction because it was created primarily as a platform for the development of future robotic technologies. The module-based construction allows for future modifications, both physically and software-wise, to improve the Ameca without having to replace the entire robot. The robot displays realistic facial expressions with how it can smile, gasp in surprise, and blink its eyes in a natural manner. Along with its robust Tritium robot operating system, Ameca may be used to test and build artificial intelligence and machine learning systems. The Ameca hardware was created using the cutting-edge Mesmer technology. Robotics technology continues to expand at a rapid pace and will certainly be even more exciting to follow in the future. If you liked this video, we recommend you check out one of these videos next. If you enjoyed the video, then be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Future Tech Enthusiast for more exciting videos in the future. And also make sure to hit that bell icon to make sure you get notified whenever we release new videos. See you next time.